today's tutorial is going to be a little bit different. We're going to make a baby plushie. So the materials you're going to need is any type of worsted weight yarn and a 4.5 millimeter crochet hook. And you will also need some filling or scrap yarns to fill your plushie with. This is not my tutorial, I just wanted to share it with you guys. So I will leave a link to the original tutorial down in the description box below.
Hi and welcome back to Simply Made by Hand. If you enjoy this content, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get into the video.
I am going to start with my white yarn and I'm going to make a slip knot and a chain of 11. Once you've chained 11, we're going to work in the back loops of the chain, start the second chain from the hook, and make 9 single crochets down this first row. In your very last chain, you're going to make 6 single crochets. Working on the other side of your chain, make 1 single crochet in the next 9. Now these are rows, not rounds, so you're not going to slip stitch to your first stitch. Instead, you're just going to chain 1, turn your work. While we are working up and around, we're going to chain 1 and work back and forth. So now you're going to put 1 single crochet in the first 9. Then in the next 6 stitches, you're going to make 2 in the next 6. Now you're going to make 1 single crochet in the last 9. Now you're going to chain 1 and turn your work. And in the first stitch, you're going to make a single crochet. In the next stitch, you're going to make a bobble stitch. So you're going to yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2. You're going to repeat that until you have 5 loops on your hook. Now I have 4, so I'm going to do it one more time. So you're going to do a total, you're going to yarn over, insert your hook 4 times, and that should bring you to 5 loops. Now you're going to yarn over and pull through all 5. Now you're going to make a single crochet in the next, making sure that is very tight so that your bobble stitch pops up. If it pops in the wrong way, just pop it back up to the front and tighten down your your single crochet. Nice, make another bobble stitch in the next stitch. Make sure you have 5 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through all 5, make a single crochet in the next and pop that bobble stitch up. You're going to repeat these same 2 stitches all the way till the end of your row, but instead of making a bobble stitch and then a single crochet in the last, you're going to make sure your last 2 stitches are both single crochets. And that is the end of row 3. So now I'm going to change my color. I'm just going to yarn over and pull through. You're going to turn your work and make 1 single crochet in the next 9. Now you're going to make an increase in the next, so 2 single crochets in the next stitch. and then 1 in the next stitch. You're going to repeat that for a total of 6 increases. So your next stitch is going to be an increase, then 1 single crochet. That's 2 increases. So we're going to repeat that 4 more times. So increase, single crochet, increase, single crochet, now you're going to make 1 single crochet in the next 9. Chain 1 and turn your work, and for this row we're just going to do 1 single crochet in every stitch. Chain 1 and turn our work, make a single crochet in the next 9. Now we are going to do increases, but this time we're going to start with 2 single crochets. So make 1 single crochet in the next 2, then an increase. 1 single crochet in the next 2, then an increase. You're going to repeat that for a total of 6 times. Now we're going to make 1 single crochet in the last 9. Chain 1 and turn your work. Now we're going to start our row with 1 single crochet in the first 2, then make a bobble stitch. You're going to want to make sure you have 5 loops on your hook and yarn over and pull through all. Then you're going to make 1 single crochet and then a bobble stitch. You're going to repeat that all the way around. 1 single crochet, 1 bobble stitch, 1 single crochet, 1 bobble stitch. Your row should end on a single crochet. I switched my color and I made 1 single crochet in the next 9. Now you're going to make an increase and then a single crochet in the next 3. Repeat that 6 times. Then make 1 single crochet in the last 9. Chain 1 and turn your work and make 1 single crochet in every stitch. rows are very simple. For the next row, you're just gonna put 1 single crochet in the next 9, then 1 single crochet in the next 4, make an increase. You're gonna single crochet 4, make an increase 5 more times for a total of 6 increases. Then you're gonna put 9 single crochets down the side. For your last row, you're gonna make a single crochet in the first stitch, a bobble. Single crochet bobble all the way around till you get to the end of your row. And then you can cut your yarn and fasten off. And then for the back, you're just gonna repeat what we did for the front, except every bobble row is just going to be a single crochet row. I did 12 rows for the back because it wasn't as big as I needed it to be. And then I just sewed it around and stuffed it. So you're just gonna do that and then your project will be finished. So I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial, and I will leave a link down in the description for the original tutorial. And I started making one in a different color with some blues and greens, so the color options are pretty much limitless with this. You can choose any combination of colors, and I think it will look really nice. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video out so it can reach a wider audience, and I will see you next time.